Rashid Charo is the bodyguard to the PS Fikirini. An incident occurred whereby the PS had attended a function in Karaoko with the youth. Thereafter, after he left the function, he was confronted by a number of youths, very many of them, more than 30, 40 of them. As he was leaving, they were insisting that they needed some money from him, but as he entered his motor vehicle, they were rushed by this group of youths. Officers who were escorting the PS tried to shield him from this number of youths, but it was difficult. They were overpowered, and these youths managed to enter the motor vehicle. One of them managed to enter the motor vehicle of the PS using force. They tried to get him out, he refused. The bodyguard tried to pull him out, he refused. The bodyguard had to enter into the motor vehicle with him. Inside the motor vehicle, the youth was demanding that he wanted money, and that he had come with so many youth and that he wanted to be given some money. There having been no agreement of any kind of such a nature, and there was nothing like that, the PS told him, no, look here, I don't know what you're talking about, but look here, if you want some money, I can give you some 10,000, please get out of the car. This is a public motor vehicle, it's a government car, please get out of the vehicle, you are not allowed to be inside here. At that particular moment when the PS was about to give him 10,000 shillings, the gentleman who had entered the car tried to grab the rest of the money that the PS had in the pocket and tried to pull the phone that the PS had in his hand. He struggled with the PS for a few moments. The bodyguard tried to also restrain the late. It was a difficult situation because he also tried to take a mobile phone that was inside the car, which eventually disappeared and gotten lost. He also tried to stop the motor vehicle from proceeding by trying to get hold of the steering wheel, trying to spin the motor vehicle. After a distance of a few meters, the driver had to stop the motor vehicle because it was now getting dangerous, and this person was getting violent and was refusing to get out. As they were trying to get him out of the car with the bodyguard trying to pull him out because he had entered in between the bodyguard and the PS, the door was yanked open from the outside, and some of the youths who had caught up with the motor vehicle tugged at the collar of Charo, the bodyguard, pulling him out by force, yanking him into the ground, and then some youths now, remember, prior to that, the stones were being thrown. So it was a dangerous situation. As he was lying down and trying to get up, some of the youths now started pulling him, and the gentleman who was in the car also now tried to rush him out. What else could he have done? His life is in danger. The bodyguard of the PS is out of the motor vehicle. The PS is alone in the car. The car is a government car. He has a weapon and is being attacked. He discharged a few rounds, probably 5, 6. One of the rounds is the one round that got the deceased. From the trajectory of the bullet, you can see that it is going upwards and exiting on the upper part of the body, showing that he was actually from a position that he was lying down. He, by himself again, went and rushed to the police station, Pangani, reported the matter there. He himself, showing that this person is a person who had good faith. He could not remain at that scene because if he remained there, today we would not be speaking about him. We would be speaking of him as the late as well. And maybe the PS and everybody else. From the current trend of things which everybody can take notice of is nowadays there is this problem that you'll be attacked by people, they'll ban motor vehicles and all that. A situation where you apprehend that your life is in danger, you are entitled to use that weapon. And this was the situation. The investigating team has looked into the matter. They have listened to the stories of the witnesses. They have listened to other people from the ground. They have gone to the scene. I've had the occasion with my team as well, other colleagues, to go to the scene. It's self-explanatory. and they have found out that probably they will need probably more time to conduct further investigation. But from the preliminary findings, they find that they need the DPP to give them further instructions on what they need to do about this matter. They cannot keep on holding him. They are not charging him. They have no charge so far. So the matter is going to come up for mention maybe on the 10th of August, when we shall come and see whether they intend to proceed with this matter. But as it is right now, it is a matter, unfortunate as it is, what the officer did was necessary at that particular moment.